Why coming to Colombia might be one of the best decisions you can make in terms of your health. In order for you to travel overseas for medical attention, you need a provider you can trust. That's the reason why thousands of patients are coming to Colombia seeking medical attention. Hello, I'm Dr. Aguirre with over 20 years of experience working with international patients coming from over 50 countries from all over the world. In countries like the United States and Canada, the stem cell therapy is very limited in terms of what they covers, the coverage. It's not covered by insurance, and it's also very limited in scope because of all the regulations and legal limitations in the stem cell field. Besides being very limited in scope, also the cost to access the stem cell therapy in the United States, Canada, and all the countries makes it extremely difficult for patients to access that kind of therapy. Then why Colombia? And specifically Medellín. In Medellín, Colombia, you can have access to top quality medical treatments, stem cell therapy, at a fraction of the cost, not only not compromising the quality of the treatment, but absolutely surpassing the quality of treatment, the quality of stem cells that you will obtain anywhere else in the world. Another important advantage is there's no wait list, as you may have in other countries, as you may have in the United States. So there's no waiting list for us. We can have you as soon as in a couple of weeks once we schedule your appointment. Our treatment plans are completely customized to all of your needs. Also, we give you support in terms of all the logistics, transportation, and accommodation required by our patients. Other advantages is our hospitality culture, a very mild weather all year round, very nice surroundings, and just the culture in general that you might enjoy, as well as the food and some other amenities. Now, concerning the stem cell therapy itself, is it safe? The stem cell therapy is very safe if the provider complies with all the requirements and standards in terms of safety, and not only in the process, but in the harvesting, in the expansion, and in the application of the stem cells. They're very safe. In our clinic, you will get the safest possible stem cell therapy available. Now, are stem cells therapy regulated? Yes, stem cell therapies are regulated, and we comply not only with all the regulations from the health administration, but also the lab that provides does all the processing of the stem cells has been certified in best practices by the authorities, so our patients can have all the certainty that the stem cells they're receiving are actually complying not only with the international standards, but are exceeding the international standards by far. Are clinics legitimate? It's very important that you make sure that the provider of your stem cell therapy complies with all the standards, regulations, and certifications, as well as the physicians that will provide the service. Who is a good candidate to travel for stem cell therapy? Those patients already considering stem cell therapy as an alternative for their medical needs. Patients who have been overpriced in the United States that are willing and want to explore a more affordable option overseas. And those patients looking to get a more customized, personalized, integral type of approach in their treatment. We know that traveling overseas for medical treatment requires for you to trust your provider. That's why we start with free consultation. We respond to all of your questions, and we will assist you in the process of not only guiding you through the stem cell therapy and answer all of your medical questions, but we also offer support and assistance for accommodation, travel, the transportation, and any other possible need that you may have in this process. If stem cell therapy is something you might be interested to access in the near future, just drop us a line here and we'll make sure we get back to you as soon as possible with the closest, most accurate response. Have a great day.